Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to open the applications quickly using a run command box in a Rocky Linux 9 operating system. That is in GUI mode only. We are going to try this. So these are the applications and utilities available in Rocky Linux 9. So just press Alt F2. That's it. Alt plus F2. It will open a run command box like this, which is similar to run command in Windows. Okay, so you can type the application name in the run command box, which will open that application. So first I have typed the Firefox. It is opening the Firefox web browser. So I am closing this application. Next I am going to press Alt F2 once again and giving genome calculator. So genome calculator is got opened. So you should know the application name correctly, then only this run command box will execute the command correctly. So genome terminal, which will open the Linux terminal. So genome system monitor, it will open the system monitor. So this is the way you can open the applications quickly using a run command box in Rocky Linux 9 operating system by just pressing Alt F2 button.